Human hearing protection test. Subject 1. Over-ear and in-ear protection enabled. Begin test.
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at your baby.
Scanning for hearing loss. 0% hearing damage. 100% dignity left. Human hearing protection test. Subject 1. Test 2. In-ear protection enabled only. Begin test.
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at your baby.
Scanning for hearing loss. 30% hearing loss detected. 70% dignity remaining. Human hearing protection test. Subject 1. Test 3. No ear protection at all. Begin the test.
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, so here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at your baby.
What the heck?
We must check for hearing loss now. Please, calm down. Begin scan. 100% hearing loss detected. 0 dignity left. The test is over. You can leave now. The test is over. You can leave now. The test is over. You can leave now. No hearing at all.